The DEWALT DW758 Bench Grinder is combination of great design and good bench grinder that will be ideal for all grinding operations, including sharpening tools, deburring, rust removal, shaping parts and cleaning objects. Now take a look at the features of DEWALT DW758 Bench Grinder. 3/4 horsepower induction motor provides superior power for industrial grinding applications. Rugged cast iron base and motor housing provide durability and prolonged life. Motor runs at 3,600 revolutions per minute for high-speed material removal. Precision machined aluminum tool rests allow the user to accurately position work. Rear exhaust ports in wheel guards for smoother operation. 12.5-inch distance between wheels for larger and longer grinding applications. What are customers saying about DEWALT DW758 Bench Grinder? Check out the customer reviews now at bestbenchgrinders.com.